Good morning, everyone. I am Yohitha, and today I am going to present my internship project titled Food Genie and AI powered food ordering web application. Food Genie is designed to simplify the online food ordering experience. The application flows a complete workflow starting from user registration, restaurant browsing, food selection, cart management, payment, and finally order tracking. Unlike traditional food ordering applications, FoodGenie includes AI-powered features. The Grok AI generates engaging descriptions for dishes and summarize customer reviews so that users can quickly understand the express backend through REST APIs. The backend process request interacts with the MongoDB to retrieve or store data and sends responses back to frontend. Overall, this project demonstrates how modern web technologies and AI can work together to build an efficient and user-friendly food ordering platform. Next, goals of internship. The main objective of this internship was to gain practical knowledge of full stack web development by developing a real world project. The first goal was to understand the MERN stack and how each technology works together. The second goal was to improve my front end development skills using React and create responsive user interfaces. The third goal was to develop REST APIs using Express and Node.js and connect them with MongoDB. Another objective was to integrate external APIs like Stripe for secure online payments and the Grok AI API for intelligent content generation. Finally, I wanted to improve my debugging, project organization, version control using Git and GitHub and problem solving skills while developing a complete web application. Next, brief project requirements. The application was designed to satisfy all the basic requirements of a modern ordering platform. The first feature is user registration and login, where users can securely create an account and log in using JWT authentication. The second feature is restaurant browsing, allowing users to view available restaurants and their menus. Users can add food items to the shopping cart, modify quantities, or remove unwanted items. The application uses Stripe's payment gateway to provide secure online payments. User can also provide ratings and reviews after reviewing their orders. Finally, AI generates food description and summarizes customer reviews and providing additional information that helps customers make better decisions. Next, full stack web development. Full stack web development refers to developing both the front end and back end of a web application. The front end is the user interface the customer interacts with. The back end contains the business logic, authentication, APIs, and communication with the database. The database stores all application data permanently. In my project, React is used to create the front end, Express and Node.js handle back end processing, and MongoDB stores all the application data. Next, introduction to MERN stack. The MERN stack consists of four technologies. MongoDB is the database used to store application data. Express.js is the backend framework that manages routing and APIs. React.js is a front-end library used to build the user interface. Node.js is the runtime environment that executes JavaScript on the server. One major advantage of the MERN stack is that JavaScript is used throughout the application, reducing complexity and making development more efficient. Next, React explanation. React was selected because it allows us to build fast and interactive user interfaces. One of its major advantages is its component based architecture. Components such as navbar, restaurant cart, footer, and cart can be reused throughout the application, reducing the code duplication. React also uses the virtual DOM, which updates only the modified portion of the web page instead of refreshing the entire page. This improves speed and performance. Another important feature is single page application navigation. Users can move between different pages without full page reloads. In my project, React is used to build the home page, restaurant page, menu page, login page, card page, user profile page, and order history page. Overall, React provides a responsive and user friendly interface. Next, MongoDB explanation. MongoDB is the database used in Fujini. I selected MongoDB because it stores data as flexible JSON-like documents, making it highly compatible with JavaScript application. Unlike SQL databases, MongoDB does not require a fixed table structure. This flexibility makes it easier to manage application data. In my project, MongoDB stores user accounts, restaurant details, food items, shopping carts, orders, coupons, and customer reviews. Whenever a user registers, places an order, or updates their cart, the information is stored or retrieved from MongoDB. Mongoose is used to define schemas and simplify database operations. Next, Node.js explanation. Node.js is a runtime environment used to execute JavaScript on the server. I selected Node.js because it allows the entire project to use JavaScript for both front-end and back-end development. Node.js follows a non-blocking, event-driven architecture, allowing you to efficiently handle multiple user requests at the same time. In Foodgenie, Node.js processes login requests, retrieves restaurant data, manages shopping carts, stores orders, and communicates with the MongoDB. Its performance and scalability make it an excellent choice for modern web applications. Next, Express explanation. Express is a lightweight backend framework built on top of Node.js. It simplifies backend development by providing routing, middleware, and API handling. In Foodgenie, Express manages user authentication, restaurant APIs, food item APIs, cart APIs, and payment APIs, and order management. Middleware is also used for authentication and centralized error handling. Express makes the backend organized, modular, and easier to maintain. Next, architecture and design. The application follows a client server architecture. User interact with the React front end. Whenever a user performs an action such as logging in or placing an order, React sends an HTTP request to the Express backend. Express processes the request and communicates with the MongoDB to retrieve or update information. If payment is required, the backend communicates with Stripe. If AI generated content is needed, the backend sends a request to the Grok API. Finally, the processed data is returned to the React and displayed to the user. This architecture separates front end, back end, database, payment service, and AI service, making the application scalable and easier to maintain. Next, implementation details. The application implements several important features. JWT authentication provides secure user login. Passwords are encrypted use before being stored using bcrypt. MongoDB schemas are used Mongoose Redux Toolkit manages global application state including user information and shopping cart data. Stripe securely process online payments. The Grok API generates AI-powered dish descriptions and review summaries. During development, I also used Postman to test backend APIs before integrating them with the frontend. Working of web application. The application overflow begins with user registration and login. After successful authentication, users browse restaurants and explore available food items. When a restaurant is selected, its menu is retrieved from MongoDB and displayed on the screen. Users can add multiple items to the shopping cart and update quantities. Coupon codes are validated before discounts are applied. The user proceeds to checkout where Stripe securely process the payment. After successful payment, order details are stored in MongoDB. Finally, users can view their order history and track their orders. Next, tools and technologies used. The project uses several development tools. React is used for front-end development. Redux Toolkit manages application state. React Router handles page navigation. Node.js and Express build the backend. MongoDB stores all application data. Mongoose connects Node.js with MongoDB. Grok AI provides intelligent content generation. Stripe handles secure online payments. Git and GitHub manage version control. Postman is used for API testing. Visual Studio Code is the primary development code. To conclude, Food Genie is a complete AI-powered food ordering application developed using the Merge stack. This internship gave me a practical experience in front-end development, back-end API development, database management, authentication, payment gateway integration, and artificial intelligence. It also improved my debugging skills, project organization, API testing, and problem solving abilities. In the future, application can be enhanced by adding real-time order tracking, delivery partner management, push notification, and AI-based personalized food recommendations. Now I will show you the live demonstration of my project. Now we will open a new terminal and also a split terminal to run the front end development. So I will open two terminals for the front end and back end. I will connect to the front end. Now here I will connect to the back end. Now we can run the commands now. Now our MongoDB is successfully connected. Now we will open our front end. Now this is our fruit project app. So we can see our restaurants here, and this is a review summary which is created by the AI. So we can see the review summary here, and we can hide also. Now we can add the items, which is like chicken bucket one, KFC wings one, and the cart will be shown as two items. Now if you don't want means we can also delete it here, and I'm going to check it out. So this is the online process payment is doing by the Stripe account which we have created. This is like a demo process payment system. So here we can give anything we want, no issues. See now our order has been successfully placed here. Now we can go to the orders and also see our processing here. See the process, the order status is processing, and the payment is also paid here. We can also see it here, or we can also go and see by orders here, and we can also log out and log in with here. If you forgot your password, we can also give the forgot password, or if you are going to a new, if you want to give sign up here, you can also give the new user page. If you forgot your password, you can also give the forgot password here, and we can go to our menu page here. So we can give pure veg means it will show only the pure veg restaurant, and show all means it will show all the things, and sort by reviews means it will based on the reviews it will be sort, but the reviews will mostly 70, so the ordering will won't be changed. Next, sort by rating means see it will be ordered by the reviews, sort by ratings. So if you want to pure veg means you can also see, and if you want to search your restaurants, you can also search your restaurant here, and it will come. Sorry. So see here, the project, the restaurant will be came. Now we will go to the name. So this is a user profile. For the admin profile, we can also add new restaurants, new menus inside the this page. So this is a user profile, so we cannot add it here. And the admin's page, we can add, delete restaurants, and we can create anything there. So this is the project all about. Thank you.